Hello everyone, this is Amit Lathikara. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how can we find a maximum out of two numbers. So I'm going to write Python program for the same. And before that, let's analyze the program. What exactly we require is two numbers from the user. So this is my input. And based on this number, I will display. So my process is finding a maximum number out of this two. So out of number one and number two, and finally in output maximum number. So as there are only two numbers, possibility is also two, like either number one is maximum or number two is maximum. Either number one or number two. So this we can simply achieve using relational operator greater than. If this is true, then obviously number one we need to display as a maximum number. If this is false, if this is true, then this is the case. If it is false, then number two is maximum. So simple condition, and for condition what we require in Python is if statement. Two possibilities. What if this condition is true? What if this condition is false? So if and else. And if I talk about its flowchart, it's very simple. Start with start symbol. We need to take an input from the user. So input is number one and number two. We need to take decision. Which one is maximum out of these two? Condition is number one greater than number two. If I talk about possibilities, what if this is true? What if this is false? If this is true, then number one is maximum. So we need to display number one as maximum. If it is false, we need to display number two as maximum. In either case, after displaying end of program. So this is a very basic flowchart. Based on this flowchart, let's try to implement it in Python program. Let's take first variable and let's typecast it using integer. Let's say input method, enter number one. Let's say second number, input, enter number two. So my input is ready with two numbers. Let's check which one is maximum. Simple if statement. What if number one is greater than number two? Then I need to display a message. So print number one. Let's use a message is this number is maximum out of first number, that is number one and number two. And what if this condition is false? Number one is not greater than number two. So in this case, number two is maximum. So this is my program. Let's execute this program through command prompt. To execute Python command and name of program file. Enter number one, let me enter 45. Second number, let me enter 25. So message is 45 is maximum out of 45 and 25. Similar way, let's enter first number is 15. second number is 8, and here the message is 15 is maximum out of 15 and 8. So this is a simple program. Still there is one possibility. What if both numbers are same? Then message should be both numbers are same. But here it is going to show 15 is maximum out of 15 and 15 because of we have not considered what if both are equal. So to consider this option as well, what we can use if else ladder. Here we need to consider possibility that what if it is reverse, that number 1 is less than number 2, then number 2 is a maximum. And what if both are equal? So that is else part. Only possibility that number 1 and number 2 are equal. Number 1 and number 2 are equal. So this is a message if else. So first condition, what if number 1 is greater than number 2? What if number 1 less than number 2? Else only possibility that both are equal. Let's execute it again. Let's keep 15 as the first number, second number also 15, 15 and 15 are equal. Or even we can keep a simplified message that both numbers are equal. Here we can change a message, both are equal. That is also possible. So both numbers are equal. This is the final message. And let's execute it again. First number say 15, second number 25. So in this case, 25 is maximum. First number 80, second number is 50. So 80 is the maximum. And what if both are equal? So both numbers are equal. So this is a simple program to find a maximum out of two numbers. And also we took possibility of having both the numbers same. Even we can use a concept of ternary operator here through a modified form of if else statement, which I'm going to discuss in subsequent videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good time ahead.